Welcome to YAAD TRODZ, where we trod around YAAD. So for today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you day one of my camping in Portland trip. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of my tent. I'm going to show you where we bathe, and I'm also going to show you how to get the almond nut out of the almond fruit, right? But that's not all. We're going to the Mabess River to take a dip. Sounds nice, right? So day one, camping in Portland, YAAD TRODZ, trod with us. So we had a good night's sleep in my tent. So this is my room, my tent. Let me take you on a room tour. Okay, I never spread my bed, but this is my room. Alright, and we're on the beach kind of vibe right beside the sea, the Caribbean Sea. So this is the shower, right? So if you're stoosh, this enough for you. The camping here enough for you. So see the shower here? Yeah. So I'm in my tent, and this is my tent. This is what you call ocean view. Hey, sea view. Hey. Yeah, man. Camping life. This is how it looks when it dry, and then I'm going to be showing you how to get the almond out of it. Them say almond or almond, whether you want to make the L silent or you want to pronounce the L. So this is a bag of almond fruit, and we're going to get, well, I don't know if a fruit or a nut or what, but we're going to get the almond out of this. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're not young, but we're not time, right? Wait, want to know about right, right? So this is the way almond look like. But I'll do another one and show you. That was the trial.
Says he must have money too.
You have to hear the sound, you know, you have to listen. Oh, see there? And when you hear that, you know it's there. Where for use? Yes, so?
No.
See there. See there. I'm going to do it one last time. Or true, you know, everybody around here, they might get me nervous. One last.
For sure you're gonna bust over every one of them there. Alright, ready now. Close up.
You're too close to me.
Alright. Ah.
Let's say. I cannot bother. I cannot bother. But see it here.
But we could see what happened.
See it here. the young boy, them in a call them no know about them something. Alright, see it peeps.
Finally.
See it peeps. So this is it, you know, this is the real deal, right?
The Jamaican almond.
No, you have to get your body acclimatized first. Jamaica.
Mirror in the water.
Thanks again for watching another YAAD TRODZ episode. Day one of our camping trip in Portland was a vibe. We had fun in the river and we also tried our hand at the arch your back TikTok dance challenge. That was fun. Leave a comment and let me know if this is something you would do, if you would actually camp in a tent by the sea. Remember to watch, share and subscribe and look out for day 2. YAAD TRODZ, Trod with us.